Welcome to Option Trades today. I'm Tony the Bat Batiste, and I have not one, but two trade ideas for you today. October 3rd, 2023, where has the year gone? Let's take a look at where the market's going. Even the S&Ps trading near their lows. You can see their lows with just two handles at 42.62. Even the S&Ps down 60.5. NASDAQ down 246. It's carnage across the board with the Russell down 28 and the Dow down almost 400. Volatility 1955. Look at where it is. It has reached this level on numerous occasions and then fallen back. Obviously, volatility can go higher. It can certainly go lower. We've seen it lower just a few weeks ago in the 15 handle. Key on volatility, if you see volatility start down ticking, start going to 1940, 1935, 1920, then maybe this market can catch some legs to it. But first, I want to take a look at a trade that I looked at as catching a falling knife. SPX is what I'm going to. You can see here that volatility is expanding in SPX. The IV rank is 34. And man, this spread is probably trading right there right now with the E-mini S&Ps making new lows. Let me show you what I did. I did this live on the show just before we stopped the programming. I did this at a 30-cent credit. You can see it's oscillating back and forth between a 20, 30, 40-cent credit. The higher credit you put on this trade, the better off it is for you. Why did I pick these strikes? It's a broken wing butterfly, which I've done numerous times on this show. You've got a $20 expected move for today. These are zero-dated options. We're getting questions on zero-dated options and how would I look to trade them today with volatility expanding the way they are. What would I do? Well, I go to around the expected move and I put my break even near that expected move. You can see the stock is trading 42.25. If we go down $20 from here, let's say from this moment on, that the move is all to one side, to the downside, we should close around 42 and change, which would make this spread worth money, meaning I'm long 142.25 put, I'm short two 42.15 puts. This spread one by one would be worth $10. If we close at 42.05, the spread that I'm synthetically short, this 42.15, 42.05, synthetically short that one because I'm long the 41.95, $10 lower. That's how I have almost $1,000 in risk on this trade. This trade would be worth zero. It would be where I would collect the 30-cent credit right at 42.05. If we close at 42.15, that $20 expected move, 10 of it's to the upside, and we come back down to the downside, this spread would be worth $1,000. I'd collect $1,000 plus the 30-cent credit that I put on for this trade. So all I'm looking to do here is catch a falling knife, either stay right here, maybe I sell this spread for $2 or $3 or $4 if I get lucky. That would be a $4 credit if I get lucky. Or if the stock rallies and the market is saved, I just make my 30 cents. That's how I would trade this trade. That's how I would trade these zero-day options for today. All right, let's take a look at what we normally like to look at. I'm going to have this already set for IVX 5-day change. What am I looking to do? I'm looking to trade something that has IV rank that's expanding. I'm looking to trade something that doesn't have any earnings. The first one that pops up is AVGO, down around $17 right now. You can see over the last 5 days, volatility has expanded by 12.5%. As a matter of fact, it's the largest across the board. Now, you got to take that with a little bit of a grain of salt because AVGO is an $800+ stock, and AVGO has wide markets that can skew volatility, especially when you've got, volatility upticking the way it is right now today. But I will show you what I did in AVGO. I will load this up for you. I put this trade on at $2.93. I went to around the 15 delta on the put side. That's 730 on the 45-day options, and I bought defined risk because it is a $700-800 stock. It's going to use so much buying power. You can't trade this, in my opinion. You can't trade this with undefined risk. It just uses too much buying power. I'm going $10 wide. You certainly can go $20 wide. I'm going $10 wide here, 730, 720, with the short delta around the 15-ish. 16 delta now with the stock down 17 and change. And I'm doing an equal distance or an equal delta to the upside. I guess I could have gone to 920s with my short strike. I went to the 910s, the 910, 920, and I did it for a $2.93 credit. You may be asking, why AVGO? I get it that its implied volatility is high. I get it that it's been expanding. But when you go to Bob the Trader here and you go to AVGO, and filter by AVGO, you can see here that I've had good success by putting these trades on when the IV rank was lower than where it is right now. And look at the credit I was receiving, 288, 282. I'm able to get 15, 16 cents more for this spread that I'm putting on. I was able to get $2.98. I apologize. $2.98 on this trade that I put on. I thought I did it for $2.93. My eyes are not what they used to be. $2.98 is what I was able to get for this spread. It's not going to change the probability of profit. It's that same 65%. It does have a theta of $4.60. That means I'm collecting $4.60 on the overall trade. The delta is basically delta neutral. My max profit is obviously what I collected for the spread, $2.98. What am I really looking to make on a spread like this? 50 cents to $1. What type of spread is this? This is the type of spread that you put on when you already have other positions that have a lot more risk in the overall market. AVGO market correlation is 0.61, so it's on the relative high side. It will follow the market, although you see it's been kind of going a lot more sideways with that same downward turn to the market that maybe the overall market is. Look at what's going on with this market. Even the S&P is down 65 and change, and volatility making new highs. Man, we've got ourselves a market today, and you want to know something? You need stability in your trading account too. Go to tastytrade.com. Take advantage of all the different features that we have on the platform. Plus, they'll even give you some cash for bringing your account to Tasty Trade. Check those out.